Elu megide, elu n'ala megide mmụọ nsị na ọ gaghị adịrị anyị na mma o. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to some of you. From me, from here, it's almost good night. It's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock here, 15 minutes after 9, on top of your hour. Today, I want to welcome men and women. I want to welcome the good people of Biafrans. I want to welcome all freedom lovers, people who like justice, equity, and fairness. I'm welcoming you all. I welcome all our subscribers and the people who is about to subscribe. I say I welcome you all. I say may God Chukwu Kikabiama bless you people. God Muno Ebo in the name of Chukwu Kikabiama. He said, please, as you are getting our video, please still do us a favor. Do us this favor. Subscribe to this channel. This is our channel so that we can be able to be speaking the gospel of truth. So we can be able to be propagating the gospel of truth. We can be able to talk about what is happening in our land. We can be able to be discussing what is happening in the Biafra land and Igbo land. As you are doing this, I say may God bless you. Share our videos, subscribe to our channel, and join us on this platform. As you are doing this, I say may Chukwu Kikabiama bless you in whatever thing you are doing. In the name of Chukwu Kikabiama, he say. So we are going to move today. Why we are here today? Because I will always hit on this. Because anytime I say that all these governors, elite, these people we call religious leaders, they are the problem. You know, they are the problems of Igbo. They are the problems of Biafra. Because of these people, from what happens to Mazen and the Kalo court, but some people didn't really understand what exactly happened there in that courtroom. Because of all these things, they are using Mazen and the Kalo, like bringing the law, turning laws upside down. They are trying to make sure that they want to demoralize his spirit, but Mazen Nande Kanu tell them that he's whiter than white and whiter than snow. Because of this is what he preach. You see some people, I see one video from Wazirike say, oh, I'm talking about let's go to social, we have to meet security officers. All those things, because of these people you see talking like this. Remember what Mazen Nande Kanu tell you. He said that these people, they want you to look like them. Because of Owazurike know that him have collected bribe and go away and move his life on. You understand? So he wants Mazen Nande Kanu to look like him, but he doesn't know that Mazen Nande Kanu was chosen by God. Because of, do you know the kind of proposal they will be giving him inside DSS dungeon that he refused? You see him in that court, bouncing like a lion. He is. For you to know, if him can stand in the prison and stand for the truth and stand for what he's preaching and stand for what he's believed on, what about you that is outside, that are supposed to be more resolute by seeing our leader Mazen Nduku Kanu from what he demonstrated in the court? He's supposed to give you the morale and for you to be more resolute and know that there is no way out because of this zoo country called Nigeria have tried everything in their power to convince him, to make him to abandon this movement, but this movement have been ordained by God. So we keep going. Let's see how it's gonna play out, but we know that God is on our side. Chukwu Okike Abiama is on our side. We must come out victorious, and promise you this: we will come out victorious after this journey. Let me show you something, because when I'm saying that our governor, all these guys parading themselves as the governors, religious leader, elite, all of them, when I'm saying that these people are problem, you'll be saying, let's hear this video. You will see, you know that is why I tell you people that information is more powerful. That is why we have this platform. If it's not the way that all of us people were shouting all over in the social media, in atrocity that Soludo is committing in Anambra State, in atrocity that Hope Uzodinma is committing in Imo State, making women's that to lose their kid, like just na-enye ndị banye onwe ike, na-anapụ ụmụ nwanyị ụmụ ha n'ike, na-egbu ụmụ nwanyị n'ike, na-egbusisi, na-edowe nne anyị n'ihe ịgba akwa n'ife ịgba anya mmiri. Watch ya n'ife na-eme. Let's go this program. Let's see what is going on. Bịa ka ifo na ife Soludo na-eme. We'll be going slowly by slowly now. Let's see what he's doing there. Let's start from here. Let's start from here. Because I want to be going step by step so that you people will know what we are talking about. I hope you people remember this video, right? Where Soludo men loaded people inside truck. We are shouting that these are innocent people that they collected. You people remember the video, right? So now let's go here. There is one fat guy there inside the truck. You see the fat guy there. This guy here, the hand is on his head. Okay, now many of the parents of these people, relative of these people, have come out and said that these people are not what Soludo with his armed men is claiming that they are. Killing the innocent people that went to their work, that went to their normal business, then we catch them and tag them and they kill them. One mmadụ Soludo ịkpafu so ọbara ụmụnne gị ọbịa bụ ife iketere. Okay, now ma ọ bụ na anyị nọ here on this social media na na-eti mkpu a na-akpọ mba ụwa niile. Now look at the man here. I know what I'm coming on. Look at the man here now. Look at the man here. Okay.
He's innocent. He's a good man to us. He has
Ndị ngara outside work ijido ha gbagbusie ha. You know why I'm playing this video? Because of you know that the day these people have that gathered people in that hills, no one in the Hamburg, then kill like at least matter 3 or 4. So nde ka ha na hamburu egbu na hanta agre na this and that na habu gene kidnapper na habu nka na nde ka hamburu na what are they going to tell the family? Nda hamburu na oburu egbe burigesi ndo ohia ha si na oso security kpọrọ ndị Fulani wuchu ala Igbo wuru na egbusisi ụmụazị Igbo soro udo bụ na hope ụzọ dị mma tụtụrụ ndị Fulani na-egbusisi ndị ka igbu n'ugburu egbu na what is let me show you ndị ka aha na those guys ogbusisiri na look at the parents na imefe o tinyere ha na anya mmiri ka o tinyere these people. Listen now. Ma ọ bụ na anyị tiwere mkpu na social media, ma ọ bụ na anyị tiwere mkpu people and that is why we tell you, you see something, you say something, because of information is more powerful. Now let's go, because I know why I'm coming slowly. Let's go here now. Look at ndeka hambusire ebusi. No more now. The parents now are not gonna again. Ibakwa.
Chief Tony Chukwu, I put it to you, Joe Governor Soludo, na government, yeah.
Look at if hunting is in the one. Hemela kidless. He was your matter. It was just no more. Look at what Soludo caused. Somebody ngaro onwe ya ọrụ ịchọta ife ya na afọ ngeri ya na ụmụ ya na nne ya ngeri ọ ga-emekwere ọbịa wetere nne ya ife si na-ekwekwena. That is ife a na-asị na ọ bụ uru nwa mbara. That is why nwa ya ngeji wee ga ọrụ rụta ego kwana bịakwana sikwana nne ya ma ọ sikwana ụmụnne ya ekwekwena nke a Soludo na ndị otu ya ga-anapụ this guy na ndị ya n'ike. Tinye family ndị a na n'ife ibe akwa anya mmiri. So now say no, these people be your problem. What and do he? What I say Fulani killers? Yeah, that is one thing now about anybody in a hope on these people. These people have determined to finish us all. How determined to finish the youth of Igbos? Which court? Where did you get which investigation did you do before you started killing somebody? Boys again. People boys. Now I'm coming to that Greek Greek. I'm coming for that pig now. So who don't hope so them life that is because of them. These people this heartless. You call your governor, you call your elite. That because do our leader, Mazin Namduku Kanebono. Do Simon Ekpa today. Ebono. The same people. But if him now our people, you see these two men we have to stand strong and stand tall. Make sure that we must fight for these two men, Mazen Namduku Kano and Mazen Simon Ekpa. We must to fight for these men and bring them out because of we need to do something and something need to be done urgently. Please, as you are getting our video, do us a favor, subscribe to this channel, share our videos. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. I say Chukwu Okike Abia Makosiege. Please, let's keep going. Now let's go to that pig in the Greek called Asere Dokubo. Listen to that one here. This one are the people who have sworn that they will destroy the lives of the youth of Igbos. Hana Sorudo, hopes of them, Hana governors, or no recruit, but listen here. If we for the Greek, the Asia, Hakununi for Neku here.
Is happening. Something very serious is happening.
Oh, yeah.
And our so-called political elites and leaders do not care. They're not doing anything about it. They feel very unconcerned about it. Our political elites do not care about it. Our people are red.
Nke a bụ chameleon. Asere Dokubo, nke a bụ chameleon. This guy bụ chameleon. Ọ ṅụọla iyi na ọ ga-alacha life ụmụazị Igbo na ọ ga-ala life ndị Igbo na iyi. Maka gịnị? Ya rụta what our leader Maazị Nnamdi Ukwu Kalu told all this zoo military, ndị na-arụrụ zoo ọrụ, ọ bụkwara ha retire from the military. He told them, also, if you don't retire from the military and you come to fight in Biafra land, be rest assured that you're not gonna go back. And if there is any slighted mistake, you go back, you don't have a place you are going to come you call your home. Because of before you come, the Fulanis, the terrorists have occupied your land. This is what is happening in the church today. He was working with his slave master. Maybe now they are no more paying him now. He started vomiting out. Useless idiot called Asare Dokubo. Listen to that pig.
Tossed here and there by the tempests and the winds of the sea. Nobody cares. Every day we hear stories of thousands and thousands of Futajelon Kambari Fulani being transported by every means of transportation down into our land, down into the John Nation, down into Igbo land, down into Shekiri land, down into Ogoni land, everything. In the most unthinkable fashions, in their thousands. If you go to Biafra today, as I'm talking, all the fishing settlement and the farming villages are occupied and controlled by these fellows. We're job people who are strong.
And man, come Sagoku. This useless idiot called Asere Dokubo. This guy is shouting now that all their land have been occupied. But when he was working with the enemy to destroy the lives of the youth, to say that I will fish Mazen and the Kalo out, I will fish the other one out. Now your land have been occupied. It had been taken over. The same thing now, you see people, Yoruba people, are now crying on their side. Their land has been what? Occupied. But they don't want to realize that a prophet told them, this is what is coming. Before but now Fulanis are coming. They are no more doing it hiding. Listen to this annoy. I got me get to that. We will not listen to all this video.
Nothing is going to happen. A man is only strong when he's with his people. When he has enough number to overcome his enemy. We should not underestimate these people. They have our money with us. They have been receiving tons and tons of our money. Their brother Abacha stole and sharing it amongst themselves. A minister in a federation came to say that sharing the money in the north because there are no poor people in the south. And where are our governors? Where are our loquacious ministers? Where are our woman rights ministers? Where are our woman rights lawyers?
Leave this prig because I told me if you're this idiot now. Because of young accomplice up to now is still working with the hope of them. They are training this one they call Operation Ujogachi. They are the one training all these Fulanis they are bringing to them. When they bring this Fulani from every angle, then bring it to him. Him will train them and show them ground. Show them where the Igbo people are. Then we go and destroy the Igbo property. But listen here. I will show you people a little bit of something here. Listen here. Listen. This is a Fulani man who was a former military man with arms. New ones. Watch. AK-47 as different kind of assorted new ones.
And we recovered 4 AK-47 magazines. We recovered another 4 magazines of CZ Scorpion magazines. CZ Scorpion rifle magazines. Then we recovered 2 rifles. New one or new guns to differ. New guns. New one with the leather, with the rubber. Also recovered 2 pistols and diacon and CZ pistols and 3 pistol magazines. And we arrested one suspect. This suspect is a Fulani man who is believed to be orchestrating the that criminality along that area, one and you. And it appears I have his ID card here, an immigration man who was in the military before. So he was dismissed. And I think
he was dismissed. How did this man get these guns from the armory? New ones from the armory. Why Fulani are busy? I mean, there are people on to the teeth. Now, bring to the teeth, bringing them to the south, telling you we must conquer south, we must conquer Igbo land. Your governor are there. If your governor name, your governor are there, killing the youth, helping them, colluding with them, killing the youth, so that they can able to achieve this thing. You are now telling me that your governors and the elite, okay, no, it's not your problem. Tell me, my brothers and sisters, how can you tell me now that these men and women who say they are your elite, who say they are your governors, who say that they are religious leaders, then keep quiet? If you don't name, but to look at this one is in Abuja, Fulani are arming their people. When they arm them, look at what Asare Dokupo was saying. That one is a chameleon. But all these things are going on. Your governor are busy destroying the youth, the life of the youth who is going to defend the land. And they are happy. If they cannot kill that person, then put inside jail. If you see the whole prison in Anambra State, the whole Igbo youth, the same thing in Imo State. Some community in Imo State, nobody is living there. So hope so the money clear Fulani terrorist ways to come in. Maybe actually maybe you feel me. Yana Asare Dokupo. Actually, Mehemia. So, how we that then will destroy the lives of Igbos? Our youth, the earlier you realize this is better, wake up from your slumber, wake up from sleep, and our men, our Biafra Liberation Army, the people who stand on the truth, who are resolute, they should watch out what is happening in our land. Watch out what is happening in our land. Look at our leader. If our leader can stand so strong, you as an military, you as an liberation army who stand to defend this land, and you have what you need to defend it. Defend this land of Biafra with honest and the truth. If you do, ka m rite ego, ka m gbata m nzama mee ife a, moment, mmiri ya na-ezonu, na-erunu, ọ bụ ọma ohu, ọma nna ya ukwu. Ọma ohu, ọma nna ya ukwu. Ome mma na mmadụ ana, ome njọ na njọ ga ana. So it's better for our youth. Everybody wake up, watch your side, defend yourself. Don't, these people is serious. This thing happen here. That is why they insist to keep our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is why you see them put Mazi Simon Ekpa, the prime minister, able today. So for them to able to achieve what they are doing, they are running speed now, self. Let me tell you, they are running speed. Onye nwere ntị ya nọ, onye nwere ntị ya nọ. From me, from here is good night. Please, brothers and sisters, make sure subscribe to this channel, share our video to other platforms so that people can see our videos, and join us on this channel. Share. As you are doing all this, I say, may God Almighty, onye ka na akpori share na nenye ya gozie gị. May Chukwu okike abịa ma gozie gị. May God bless you in whatever thing you do in this life. I say, may God bless you in abundantly. From me, from here is good evening.